Hi, here's Mark. I'm Eva. This is part 3, and there'll be a lot of parts today, of Milford Sound in New Zealand. Just gorgeous. These are the fjords, and look at the waterfalls. I love waterfalls, so here we go. Here I can get quite a close-up. Look at that. You can see the rushing of the water. So you can see the totality. And this is just the first of the 3 fjords that we're going to be cruising today. New Zealand. As I mentioned, we've been watching some documentaries about the formation of this country, and it's formed by volcanoes, like Hawaii is. See the amazing mountains here, and it's kind of rainy and cloudy, but gives a beautiful view. Hopefully it'll get sunnier and drier throughout the day as we see more. So come with us. I'll just here, we're going to zoom in on 3 waterfalls right there. Just spectacular. So come with us, Eva and Mark, when we take you all over the fjords of New Zealand. We've been to the fjords of Norway, love that. Now we're going to be enjoying the fjords of New Zealand. Call us, Eva and Mark, and we're going to make this experience